In a busy day, your mind and body go through more than you realize. That's why MindGlow focuses on the essentials that truly improve your daily well-being. First, meditation. With guided sessions designed for sleep, stress, and focus, you can pause your thoughts, relax your mind, and regain mental clarity in just a few minutes. Whenever you feel overwhelmed, meditation is only one tap away. Then comes sleep tracking. MindGlow monitors your sleep patterns and helps you understand how well your body is truly resting. Because better sleep is the foundation of better mood, focus, and energy. And during the day, MindGlow keeps track of your steps and calories, not to pressure you, but to create awareness of your movement and daily activity. Small movements, light activity, and mindful habits that support both your physical and mental health. With meditation for the mind, sleep tracking for recovery, and steps and calories monitoring for daily balance. MindGlow helps you stay aware, stay calm, and stay in control of your well-being. MindGlow, your daily calm system.